putting our children into prostitution, drug trafficking. It's all over. It's because of Nigerians. That is the only thing that they trade in our country.
Thina sizwe esikamthaniya sikhalela izwe lethu eloniwe ngabezizwe for my country. Now tell me, am I wrong when I'm fighting for my country? You tell me that I'm wrong, but what about my people who are dying in the street because of the drugs they eat? Out of it, politicians make a profit. When I try to speak out, they come as xenophobic. When I try to speak, they come as xenophobic. Akukho xenophobia la, sizodlala laba besixhaphaza egameni le-Afrika yobunye. Akukho xenophobia la. Now tell me, am I wrong? Just because all I wanna do is to protect women and children. Remember, they are the pillar of this nation. Get wrong, just because all I wanna do is to practice my culture on a very little piece of land that I'm left with, without being afraid of the vultures. Without being afraid of the vultures. Abantwana bendlula mithi balwela ikusasa lezwe elibulawa angabezizwe mabaye umhlaba wethu oh mabaye umhlaba wethu sithi mabaye umhlaba wethu. Mr. President, kukhona okusina kukujeqeza. Mr. President, kukhona okusina kukujeqeza. Mr. President, you have angered the residents. Mr. President, you have angered the residents. Mr. President, tell me whose side you on. Cause in America you talked about the white genocide, kodwa thina siyiboni. Mr. President, you really are a sellout. Hey, Mr. President, you are the vampire bloodsucker. Oh, I remember the Marikana massacre. The Marikana massacre. The Marikana massacre. Aphelile amahlathi si zoke sibona uzoqashaphi. Nakho kuvela amahlazo aphelile amahlathi uzoqashaphi. Uyamazi uZulu na? Noma ufuna ukubona okwabonwa izindaba zesandlwana. Noma ufuna ukubona okwabonwa izindaba zesandlwana. Mr. President. Mr. President.
This has nothing to do with hating you. This is so painful for us. We are men. We are soldiers. We are police of the community. We are looking after our own properties, which is our women, our wealth, and our area. We are not hating. There's no hate. This is our place. This is our own place. This is our country. And as men, we have to look after this place, as you would do the same thing in your country. So I will make sure that this child goes to school. I will make sure of that. But it doesn't change the fact that in town, I don't need foreigners. I know in the long run I'm going to get arrested for this one, but I don't care. Because I'm the man, at least I would go down in history as somebody who had balls to stand up and say, these things are not supposed to happen in my area. I don't hate you.
We cannot have a country where the entire country is a dumping ground for refugees. Every failed country comes here and they come here and tell us that they're refugees. From today onwards, every single South African is a refugee. You ask us, we are refugees. Are you guys refugees? Yeah, we're all refugees.
Umuntu nje oyikwelekwele la ungekho emthethweni akahambe njalo. Yakhala manje. Ayikhala.
Oh.